Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Let's jump right into this week's channel shout out. Alright, time for another channel shout out. Give a good pre-mix. Should be the last one of the 2022, and it's Nathan4071. Sweet, really cool guy, and his ferro rods are pretty awesome. All right, and he does not have a sticker, so all right. Well, there we go, this week's channel shout out. All their information will be linked down in the description, and there'll also be something on the end as well. I always put their channel down there. And as always, let's not forget, I tip my hat to our fine servicemen and women out there, from our recruits clear to our veterans. And also, let's not forget, 22 a day, 22 of our vets take their lives. But, you know, I also want to extend that shout out to our first rescue, firemen, our police, all those people who serve. I thank you, and I also thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.